Hello students, this is class third C, subject GSC and date 5/2/2021, and we have to today we are going to start a new lesson 6, safety rules. Lesson 6, safety rules. Safety rules. So open page number 34. Open page number 34. Safety rule. First, pre-reading questions. Say right or wrong. Your friend is crossing the road without looking to the right or the left. Say it is wrong or right. If your friend is doing such type of activities, it is wrong. Next, your younger sister is playing in the kitchen near a burning gas stove. If she is doing such activity, it is also wrong. Next, you always keep your things at proper place. It is good, it is right, not wrong, if you are doing such type of activity. Now next, you always play in the park. No, park is not place for the playing. So aim of studying this lesson to tell the children about safety rules to be observed everywhere, in the house, in a school, on the road, in the park, etc. So we have to aim of studying this lesson. Aim to tell the students to tell the children about safety rules, about to tell the students about safety rules. To be observed everywhere. To be observed everywhere. Everywhere. Workplaces, in the house, in the house, in school, on the road, in the park, etc. What is aim of studying this lesson? To tell the children about safety rules to be observed everywhere, like in the house, in school, on the road, in the park, etc. Everywhere. Safety rule is everywhere. We have to follow the safety rule everywhere. Whether it may be in house, in school, on the road, in the park, etc. etc. Everywhere safety rules are there. And we have to follow safety rules everywhere. We are going to study this lesson today. Everyone wants a safe and productive life. But when something happens, suddenly and causes damage or injury, it is called an accident. An accident can happen anytime and anywhere. You can avoid accidents if you are a little more careful. So, you must follow safety rules everywhere, at home, in school, and on the road. You have followed safety rules everywhere, that may be at home, in school, and on the road. Everywhere you have to follow the safety rule. So, safety rules protect us from accidents. Safety at home. What precautions we have to do at our home? Never play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors and other tools. They may cut your skin. Next, never play with fire. Be careful while lighting matches, candles, stoves and firecrackers. Always blow up the matchstick before throwing it away. Matchstick, what we are using, after using, we are throwing, and before throwing, we should blow up the matchstick. Next, never play with plug points. Never touch switches with wet hands, because wet hands may be conductor of the electricity. Never leave your things like school bag, books, toys, shoes here and there. You may fall. Put them in their proper places. Now next, never take medicines on your own. Medicine take without a doctor's advice can be very serious. If we are sick without the advice of the doctor, we should not take any medicine. Never play on terrace or rooftop. You may fall down. Play in the park or in an open ground only. So these are the safety rules which you should follow at home. So next time we will study about these safety rules at school. Will you study once again more this lesson? Thank you. That's for today.